Hi, I'm Christy with Happily Hooked Magazine. In this video, I will be teaching you how to crochet the double crochet 2 stitches together. We will be taking 2 stitches and combining them into one by using a double crochet stitch. So let's review the double crochet stitch first. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to complete the double crochet stitch. Now to combine the next 2 stitches, it's really simple. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2, and you'll leave the last step, those last 2 loops on your hook. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now it looks like you have 2 double crochets here done halfway. So to complete the double crochet 2 stitches together, you yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And if you look closely, you will see that these 2 stitches are now combined into one, right here. So I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and then you stop right there and you go to the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull back through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you're ready to combine these 2 stitches into one. Yarn over and pull through all 3. That is how you complete the double crochet 2 stitches together. Join me back here for more tutorials with Happily Hooked Magazine.